Hello everyone, this is Arijit. Today I will show you my project which I built for paint manufacturers, dealers, and customers. Let me show you and tell you uh, how it is beneficial. You can go to Paintflow.online website, and this is hosted. This is a domain that you can use to access it. This is how the front page will look. There are three dashboards for which I made this. Number one, the primary customer is the manufacturer. So let's start with the manufacturer details first. Let me enter the. You can also, if you don't have an account, you can register and sign in. Let me just put in some random details first, then uh, so that it can I don't have to register again. This is for admin manufacturer, what will see. So basically the problem was given by a paint manufacturer which is Modern Colors, located in Bathinda, operating from Bathinda. They have a turnover of around 25 to 100 crores. They gave us the problem that uh, they were not able to track which dealers are having stockouts and which dealer are having dead stocks. They need to track that, and how they should be able to predict in advance, and they should also give an customers a unique experience through their app. They wanted to expand more, but despite giving more on marketing or ad spend, they wanted something to capture through digitally. So they wanted something to capture digitally through the power of the AI. So we built this first for the manufacturer. We predicted that for whenever the truck strike would happen, how the paint prices would go, which locations will become critical, which location will become low, healthy, overstocked, what will be stock out alerts, which are risk, how much is the risk. This is all dummy data, so nothing to be worried about. Warehouse, what is the risk, what is the pending transfer, uh, if the heat wave like today, these summers, if heat waves occur, what will be the SQs per venue. This is all the dummy data we use. So so don't take it seriously, but still we can, if the data is given, we can seed it and it can work on the that. And everything, it is running on random forest, which can be improved if we used more efficient models like GNUs, etc., graphical neural networks, GNN, etc. If the monsoon this summer happens early, how the prices will go, and etc. He can also predict the demand of every product in north, south, west region. How you can see that today is 1 May, from 1st May to how the product will demand will go uh, according to the previous. Uh, okay, dead stock, what is the which locations have the dead stocks, which not. He can also see the notification, transfer approved, I approved a transfer or something. So you can mark the read you transfers, because if Jaipur to Delhi, this I can approve, and it will also I approved, and it will automatically, it goes from there to there. Earlier I approved this, so it is going from there to there. It is all dominated, so nothing to worry about. And it can, so manufacturer can see the dealers date, which are having dead stock, which are having or overstock, and they stock out, and they can transfer through the managed dealers, and they can predict in advance what will be the situation in this in the following months. So, and which dealers are performing best, and all those, which for what regions, etc., which product is performing the best. You can change the shade amount for what warehouses are there. You can adjust number of SQs now, and these are the audits that is happening. uh, Now this is for the manufacturer that I show you. Now let me show you what the dealer will be shown, which are being managed by the manufacturers. Means like dealer, because the manufacturer, this problem was given by us in manufacturer. They wanted to so that they wanted that so that the dealer can stick with them. So dealer should also be provided some benefit. So they wanted all three integrated, manufacturer, dealer and customer dashboard. Although we have not put in a privacy layer right now, that for the login system all those different, you can right now you can log in from there, but let me show you. We can do it differently also. This is the dealer dashboard. How much is the revenue, AI recommendation, what to prove, means like why the dealer went back. This is the example of Sharma Paint House I am taking of. What is the normal if shit, early monsoon, how many are placed, how many are fulfilled. This is why the dealer will subscribe. Dealer will subscribe because he doesn't want to know, doesn't want to make his mind which product to buy, either to buy ivory blue or red or green paint. He because he doesn't know this Diwali would people buy red paint more or yellow paint more. If he predicts wrong, he would lose a massive amount of money. So AI predicts the demands on the basis of just gathering data from the Twitter. What is the trend, what is coming in the news, what will, so it predicts on the basis of that previous data, so that he doesn't need, and on the also on the basis of the local data, so that because local data also matters more. Smart orders, how many orders are there, because you accept all recommendation. This is a recommendation given to the dealer. And order history, what the dealer has already placed, he can place more. Total AI saving, how much the AI has saved him. Customers, whatever the customers are requesting him, are contacted, place order, so place, this will go to the manufacturer. And this is the profile, how he is performing according for the manufacturer. This is for the dealer. So but the customer also need to be given a good advantage. Otherwise the customer, the main buyer, which are the homeowners or contractors, etc., they will not buy. So they need to be also given some advantage. So this is the customer page. Customer page, he can buy all red, blue shades, etc. If I click on one, it will show you me, this is the Tamil Nadu Marina Beach. This is not hard coded. You can, if you go near me, I go use my location, it will automatically detect my location, because I have not put any data of my Patiala, so it is not able to detect. uh, you can go exterior focus, popular now. One major thing here is, you can also wish list and then order through Stripe. You can pay through Stripe and Razor Pay, etc. If I snap, if I put an photo of my anything, literally anything, let me take an photo. uh, 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 maybe a photo of maybe photo of girl, any, and wearing clothes, mean like any dress. Let me uh, let me take this picture, and I'm doing it in front of you. So r- demo and put it here and save it. Now what I will do is, I would go and it would open, and it would find match, it would automatically detect the color. And you can see it is not accurate, but still, it will detect the color, and it would give the what is the rate of it and the nearby dealers, because there are no nearby, it will give the nearby dealers, and accordingly. So these are the things. So the customer also has don't need to take his mind. If he finds some color attractive, just click and buy accordingly, and give the nearby dealers that are there. So it is also benefit for customer. So that's how what we made. It is extremely helpful. You can go and check out this. I would be very really helpful, and it will be really helpful for you if you are looking for paint. Thank you everyone. That's it.